I thought trading was easy. What is this? What is this, guys? What is this?
Make the case that there is 100% manipulation and control of the markets, and it's algorithmic. And before electronic trading became a thing, it was a group of men that actually controlled price, and they're the real market makers. When it was automated and turned to electronic format, there's scripts that run. And I don't know why it's so hard for people to accept this, but I understand that it goes against the grain that's been established in this industry, because so many people have titles and so many people have accolades that were given because of whatever they've done, and they attribute it to previous archaic ideas that the markets are buying and selling pressure or supply and demand factors. And it's not. It's manipulation, control, sentiment, and unseating those individuals for the purposes of fleecing them and taking their position over and them taking the money. So that's really what it's all about. It's war. It's warfare, basically, and deception. So if you understand going into that, it's not shocking. It just arms you so that way you come in with the right mindset, so that way you're not worrying about your system being perfect. You're more concerned about not falling a victim to what is predominantly used against retail thought. But as a new trader, as a new student, or someone that's trying to do it, it's really easy to get motivated in the beginning. Seeing other people show you their results, seeing students getting interviewed and talking about how empowered they feel in taking money out of the marketplace and being able to spend it. When you finally get to the point where you want to try to do this, where once you're there, you can't handle the pressure and you throw out all the rules. You don't wait for the setup. You think that it's going to be stripped from you. You worked so hard to get to this moment. Now here's your first shot. The first shot to use the information that you've been studying. Now you can make gainful profits if it's correctly done, but you don't have the experience yet to lean on. And you see a sudden quick movement. It really isn't that much. Nothing's changed in the trade setup, but in your mind, because you're so keyed up, that motivation, you're hopped up. You're ready to go. You're that guy that all your friends are around. Fight, fight, fight. When if they weren't there, you'd probably shake hands with the guy and say, you know what? I apologize, man. This got out of hand. It's just forgive me for saying whatever I said. You can't do that now because they've incited that rage. You've become lustful for blood.